Hey, welcome to theenggprojects.com. In this video, I am going to show you how you can solder two wires at the same time. Let's move on to the apparatus and see how it is possible. So these are the things which we need: a solder and a solder wire and these two wires. I have already soldered a wire. You can easily view it here. See how it is soldered. Now I will twist these two wires first. These are the twisted wire. Now I am going to solder it. First heat up your solder and then put some solder wire on it. This solder is already heated. Put some wire and you can see. Now flip this solder on the wires. Again put some solder and you can see how it is done. Just wrap the solder wire which was melted on the solder is now wrapping on this wire easily. And here we have done. You can see it. Let me zoom.